Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and I hope you people are doing great and having a wonderful day. Actually, this is not rainy season. I agree. This is summer season and there are so many months, 2-3 months more for the rainy season. But why the thought of rainy season, rainy day doodles came to my mind because a few days ago we got some lovely showers, just a little bit of rain here and there, and it reminded me of the rainy day. So I thought of doing some rainy day doodles. This is one unplanned video, and I have not many things planned for this, how to draw, what to draw, and I'm just putting on paper whatever is coming to my mind, and it's a lovely thing. I enjoy it and I'm enjoying, and also I hope you will also enjoy the same. In the rainy days, sometimes what happens, we can't go out to meet friends, we can't go out for you know for shopping, for watching movies, or sometimes our important works also get stuck by rainy season. So at that time we feel absolutely bored and very upset, not very good. But I think doodling is the best thing you can do on a rainy day. Why? Because it makes you creative, the first thing, and also when you start doodling, new ideas, new thoughts keeps coming to your mind, and this is how you can relate yourself to how closely you are related to the season, to the beautiful things of nature, the teeny mini things of our lives that we have ignored and we are not much aware of, but they are very important, very lovely if we have some time to see it. So, doodling practice is a lovely thing, and I enjoy a lot actually. For doodling, you don't need much. You just need any pen or pencil or marker or colored pencils or brush pen or anything, whatever you have in front, and just a piece of paper or any notebook or sketchbook or drawing book, whatever you have, or your diary also. That is also a good thing. So you just um, bring out these things and start doodling. No planning needed. Okay, no planning needed, and you just go on doodling. It's a lovely thing, and within half an hour or something you will create very lovely things, very beautiful things that later on you may love to see it again and again. You love to share with your friends. And doodling is actually a beautiful thing because in a small piece of paper you create so many things, so many ideas are put together, joined together to bring out a lovely thing, a lovely theme. Okay, so doodling is very nice, it feels nice. Sometimes I do, not always, but I enjoy it, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it also. So I have already created the mushrooms and the umbrella and cloud, and let's see what more I can create. This is a lovely duck. And, also in the comment section let me know what I have missed, what more I should have created for any doodles, and also let me know about what theme, what subjects you want me to doodle. And this is a simple video, so you can also doodle with me, draw with me, and let's have fun together and enjoy the video till the end. I have very beautiful things in the video, so I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos and share it with your friends, and have a lovely day. Enjoy the season, enjoy the moment, and stay creative, do some artwork, and have a wonderful day.